Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to spill the beans on a fantastic secret hack that'll help you achieve an impressive 60,000 watch time on Facebook in just 3 days. So, let's dive right in. First up, create a video that's 15 seconds long and upload it to your Facebook page. Make sure it's set as unlisted so only your friends can see it. Once you've posted it, go ahead and share the same video in a group that has at least 200 members. Be sure to set the privacy settings to public so everyone can view it. Now, here's the fun part. Add a caption to your video and tag 4 other pages using emojis and stickers. Believe it or not, this simple trick can skyrocket your engagement and watch time in no time. That's all for today's secret hack. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.